Leo. This is your channel messages for the 11th, no, it's the 7th of November. I'm your host, Vanessa Carby, psychic medium, spiritual practitioner, and tarot reader. Leo, your channel message is 10 of Cups, I am the game. So I'm getting you want your family back, or I'm getting it's a family reunion. The 10 of Cups is the family. I'm getting happiness, I'm getting Pisces energy, and I'm also getting game over. So I'm getting the game is over when you reunite with your family, the 10 of Cups. Something like that, okay? Let's see what your overall message is. Oh, the Emperor just dropped out. So making something about your father or something about this man. The Emperor, something about this man. Could be a real estate owner, business owner, or something like that. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. That's the overall message. Your overall message is the Emperor, okay? Let's go. Leo. Okay, so I just hear that the Emperor might die, the Emperor might dead, or something about the Emperor knee. I'm getting something about your knee. I'm getting your knee give out, and when you go down, it hit you. I don't know what this is. I'm getting you stand in front of a machine, and one of your knees them just bend, so you go down and look at, like your face dropping on the fucking machine. Or somebody father going dead that way, going dead really bad. You got dead road machinery. I'm getting on a machine that will kill you. Let's go. We have the 4 of Cups coming out first. So there's something you're rejecting, you don't want it. The Chariot. I'm getting you now go work for the police. You no longer want to be an informant for the police. You no longer want to be a rat for the police. Or I'm getting, you're not interested in the police. You're not interested in being a police officer. You're not interested in working with the police. You're not interested. I'm getting you're not interested in them. None at all. I don't know if your father was a police officer or your father used to bring secret for government. Your father was a FBI member. He used to bring secret from one country to another. So I'm getting, first of all, you don't know where your father does for a living. I'm getting your father used to bring secret back to other countries. So hopefully your father is not charged for treason. That's the first thing. The second thing is either your father don't want, I don't know if him retire and them don't want him to retire, or I'm getting you want, somebody want you to be a police officer. You're not interested. Why the fuck would I want to be a police officer? Why the fuck would I want? Would I fuck a police officer? I would fuck him. Fuck him, prepare him breakfast and send him back to the fucking work. But why the fuck would I want to be a police officer? Why would I want to do that? Who for this? Who no must have mixed up me and the blood clot Vanessa Carby when they are blood clot Britain? Because I don't know who told y'all me they want to be police. Which terror reader telling me this? What the fuck would I want to be police officer for? Why would I want to do that? Bro, may I 30 with no kids. Why the fuck would I decide to just go and be a police? Why you think that's what would I... We don't know which terror reader on the keeper gets. But all I can say is, them can't read to save them blood clot pussy. So I'm getting, it's a no. I don't know what the fuck this is. I'm getting you saying no to the police and now work with them, or you don't want to be an officer. I'm getting you not even going, it's no. That's what I'm getting, that's what I see. Now, it could be the reason why I got a no is because of some police officer. I'm getting something about an 808 complaint. And I'm sure my police would know what that means, because they're the ones who like to falsely report these things. I'm getting 808 complaint or something about an 808 lie. So I'm getting one note from them now. Great. So easy that was. And I don't know why you have these officers intimidating you. You just tell them say you don't want to be a police. Duh. You scared? The fuck? I'm getting you don't want to be a police officer. Or maybe that's what you want it to be. I'm getting, you're just about to graduate and you do this and you say, why the fuck did you want to be a police officer again? Yeah, because they need new minds to control. That's why. You probably didn't even know you signed up that farm. You were in a deep daze when you signed up that farm. Because it wasn't you. Yeah, the 5 of Wands. And now everybody's pissed. Who's pissed now? And so I'm getting everybody going to lose them shit because somebody was banking on you being a police officer. Someone was banking on the pay. Yeah, or something like that. A lot of fighting here though. We have a 9 of Cups. This is what you want. And we have a Devil. Yeah, I'm getting that's what you wanted. I'm getting you wanted someone to reject this application because you know it would have caused a lot of fight. We're getting this exactly what you want. You knew that somebody rejecting something, or you knew that not. Me getting you didn't know, say when you reject something from this Cancer or this police officer, it's gonna start shit. But me getting that's exactly what you wanted. Capricorn, I don't know if you put somebody up to this. I don't know if you told the police officer that somebody was interested in working with them. I'm getting it's a huge lie. I'm getting you playing the devil right now, Capricorn. And the 7 of, yeah, I'm getting you play the devil now. I'm getting you did not know what to say, so you said police officer. I don't know why would you say police officer. Now there is also something about the police want you drink. The police want you drink, they want you intoxicated and drink. They want you intoxicated and fight. I'm getting them need to forget it for drink, you not drink. But I need to get it for drink so you can fight. I need you to fight intoxicated. What I'm getting, if you do, everything will get taken from you. So for example, maybe you're at a location where there's no fighting. If you fight, they're gonna remove you from the location and take your stuff. They're gonna hold on to your stuff. So you're gonna lose everything. So I'm getting that's why somebody wants you to get drunk. So that police could be called to escort you off the premises because you're intoxicated. Or you're irritated, and apparently you have your feelings in check. So the next thing them can try is alcohol. We have Wheel of Fortune. We have evil. Yeah, maybe this is police officer. I'm getting to see how evil police officers really are. People are evil all over the world. Nurses, doctors, teachers, parents, police officers, it really don't matter. But I'm just saying, why the fuck would I want to be a police officer? Me, check my fingerprint. Check my fingerprint. Me tell you something I want a police officer. Who the fuck told you that? Me tell you something I want a police officer. That me don't know who did mix up what my blood clot say. Me never tell nobody say me did want to join the police force. Me tell them something I want a police officer. How did you guys get that? When the or they must have said that I wanted to join the police force. So the other girl, the one where they're Britain, the one who not talent, she only gonna join police force. What she said? She's police for the Foundation Army. Bitch, get that crooked teeth bitch out of here. That bitch have no talent. None. How she make it to the police force that she not have blood clot talent. The police letting in anybody now. One more. Them evil as fuck. Cuddle. What the fuck? That's what I said. I never said I wanted to join the police. I said I would have joined him for dinner. That's what the fuck I said. Either way, everybody losing them shit, including the emperor. Because apparently, the emperor had a different prophet. Yeah, apparently. Yeah, why the fuck would I be a police officer? See, do you understand how unbothered I am in life? do you understand how why the fuck would you think? Why would you? Them never even say she want the porn. If when they come to me and say, you know, say me here say she want the porn, I would say, you know what, that is a something like that probably goes so. You come and you tell people say me want just up in a blood clot blue uniform and walk around with taser, button and gun. That's what someone told you. Sir, them should tell you something they want one blood clot Pornhub contract. Them should tell you that. That would have been more believable. The fuck? Anyways, I'm gonna leave it here until next time. Bye.